Hello, my name is Atli and I'm a developer for the Atlas Pay team in Atlas Retail. In this video, I'm going to go through how to set up a connection with the Valitor PAX Terminal in Atlas Hardware Station. At this point, I'm assuming that you have already installed the Atlas Hardware Station. To open up the hardware station, browse to localhost 8088. To create an instance of the Valitor WebLink plugin, press the Create EFT button. Give the EFT a descriptive name and select Valitor WebLink from the payment provider list. The API for the Positive WebLink application allows you to initiate transaction on the Positive payment app. First, we need to set the endpoint. The IP address, port number, and terminal serial number can be found on the pair screen in the application. You can also choose to enable and disable printing on the terminal. Then press the load button to load the plugin with the new settings. The hardware station must perform the pairing process with the terminal in order to retrieve the authorization code used for all future transactions. Enter the pairing code shown on the pairing screen in the app. If the pairing was successful, the terminal should now be ready to receive transactions from Atlas hardware station. To test the connection to the terminal, we will make a purchase transaction from the Atlas hardware station. When the purchase has been completed, you have now confirmed that a connection has been established with the terminal.